What's up, guys? Are you looking to deepen your faith and strengthen your belief through Bible study? Well, you have come to the right place. I'm going to share with you some faith-fueled Bible study hacks that will empower you and on your spiritual journey. So let's dive right in. Hack number one: set a specific time and place for a Bible study. Creating a dedicated space and consistent schedule will help you stay focused and make studying a habit. Hack number two: use a journal or notebook to jot down your thoughts, revelations, and prayer during your study. Write down your reflections can help you internalize and remember the lessons you have learned. Hack number three: don't be afraid to ask questions and seek answers. Dig deep into the word by researching commentary, joining study groups, and utilizing online resources. Seek understanding and let the Bible speak to your heart. Hack number four: take advantage of technology. There are countless Bible study apps and websites available that offer devotional plans, study guides, and even audio versions of the Bible, perfect for busy schedules and people that's on the go. Hack number five: pray before you study. Invite the Holy Spirit to guide your understanding and illuminating the meaning behind the verses you read. Let prayer be your connection to God's wisdom. And remember, Bible study is not just about acquiring knowledge. It's about developing personal relationship with God and applying his teachings to transform your life. I want to thank you for watching this video and Faith Fueled Bible Study Hacks. I hope um, these tips help you and strengthen your belief and draw you closer to God. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more faith-filled content like this. As always, God bless you and God bless your family, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.